For compliances with colleagues in ordinary navigational circumstances. These are my groupmates: Lloyd Jacob M. Restauro, Gerald Pidacol, Boyet M. Clava, Mark Kevin G. Gilos, GP Salvo Bisas. Action to colleagues. Definition of colleagues: international regulations for preventing collisions at sea. Purpose: ensuring safe navigation and preventing collision. Importance of understanding and following the rules. Responsibility of vessels: every vessel must comply with colleagues under the condition. Responsibility of the master, crew, application in different navigational situation. So mana siya kana example na niya mga open waters o narrow channels na mo po na ibuhaton sa ay ipalo sa mga crew, sa mga master bitaw na nasa mga kapitan, ang dili makakuha ng barko.
Navigation circumstance. Definition of ordinary circumstance: example, open sea, coastal water, and port approaches, compliance, and fair weather and normal visibility.
Go. Compliance challenges: misinterpretation of rules, human error, and situational awareness, communication, and coordination failures. So, misinterpretation of rules and human pahimangno sa mga tao nga murag silbi o pag kuan ba sa imong kagalingan nga mga awareness bitaw man sa communication.
Conclusion: importance of strict compliance need for training and awareness, responsibility of vessel operators.
Good day, sir. I'm Mark Kevin G. Gilos, dito ay Daswan. I'm going to report the Cape Corex rules for ordinary navigation. Rule number 5, lookout. This rule mandates that every vessel maintain a proper lookout by sight and hearing, as well as all available means appreciate in prevailing circumstances and conditions, so as to make a full appraisal of the situation and of the risk of collisions. Rule number 6, safe speed. This rule dictates that every vessel shall proceed at a safe speed so that she can take proper and effective action to avoid collisions and be established within a distance appropriate to the prevailing circumstances and conditions. Rule number 7, risk and risk of collision. This rule requires vessel to assess the risk of collisions. Rule number 8, action to avoid collision. If a risk of collision exists, vessel must take positive action to avoid collision.
Compliance. Example, ang usa ka cargo ship nga naglayag sa musunod nga husto nga linya para sa iyang direction, wala nagbago og ruta. Non-compliance. Example, usa ka yate nga wala naghatag og dalan sa usa ka tanker. Bisan kung ang tanker adunay right of way tungod kay kini mas hinay lisod ipalihok. Good day, sir. My name is Boyet M. Clava, dito ay Daswan. I'm going to report rule interpretation and application. Rule of good seamanship and prudent navigation, considering factors like vessel type, maneuverability, and environment case. Example of compliance and non-compliance. Ang pagsabot, ang maayong pagdagan sa barko o mabinantayon nga paglayag, nagpasabot sa husto nga desisyon o aksyon sa kapitan o tripulante aron mapadayon ang kaluwasan sa barko, tripulante, kargamento o uban-ubang sa kaganang pandagat. Importante kini sa pagsunod sa mga regulation sa maritime law.